Hello guys, I welcome you all to my channel Creation Modeling. Here in this video we will draw engine block. So this is the sketch of the engine block. This is the this will be the final look of the engine block. You can see. So let's get started. Now first of all we will select front plane and we will draw three circles as you can see here, 28 and 31 diameter. So we will draw two circles. Now we will dimension it. Now we will draw another circle of 36 diameter. 36, and we will make it, sorry, 36 diameter, and we will make it for construction. Now we will draw this figure on the 36 diameter circle. Now we will draw a center line and chain. We will make it origin. We will make it coincident at origin. Okay. Now we will define the angle as 45 degree. Okay. Now we will draw two circles here. Make it coincident. Merge. Here you can see the tangent relation is defined. Make it delete. Okay. Now you can see radius of this circle is 3, means 6 millimeter diameter, and this will be 3 millimeter in diameter. Okay. Now make it normal here like this. Now draw a line from this circle to this circle like this, and similarly, okay, we will mirror it. Okay, leave it, we will mirror it. Now make this line and this line tangent. Okay, and define a fillet. Okay, it will not, we can make a 3-point arc like this. Okay, make this one and this one tangent. Similarly, make this arc and circle tangent. Okay, and trim this part of the line. Okay, now dimension it 1 mm. Okay, now we can mirror these two lines about this line. Now we to trim the extra part of the circle, this one and this one. Okay, okay, we left it here, so we will trim it. Okay. Now we will circular pattern this sketch. Now drop down this button and circular pattern. Now entities to pattern. Now select this sketch and also this one. You can see this point has already been selected, so you don't need to have select it again. So we wanted 4, so this is 4 equal spacing. Okay, now select it. Okay, now you can see we got the desired sketch. Now we need to extrude it. Now we will extrude this sketch. We will select this contour and we will make it 30. Okay, we don't need to select this, we will select it later. So select OK. Now select the sketch one and make it show. Now here select this surface and select sketch. Okay, now convert entities. We will convert the sketch one. Okay, so now use trim. Now trim these sections here and this one also. Now go to extrude boss space and extrude this. Now make it reverse and extrude 3. Make sure we have selected merge results. Okay, it is selected. Now make it hide. Okay, we need to draw a face here. So we will select this sketch and convert this. Now we will extrude both base up to 3 mm, make it reverse, merge results. Okay, now select. Okay, now select this face sketch, make it normal and draw a circle of 12.5 mm. Now OK and extrude it, make it up to 5. Okay, yes. Okay, now select right plane, sketch, select this face. Okay, and draw a corner rectangle. Okay, now dimension it should be 6.25. Okay, and it should be 4. Okay, now draw a center line. Now go to feature, revolve boss base. Okay, we need to revolve around this line. Okay, select it. Now we need to define a plane. Select reference, plane, Now select this face and 26 mm. Okay. So now we have defined the plane. So now we need to draw this figure. Okay. We will draw this figure. You can see here. So we will go back to our sketch and we will go to right plane, sketch. Okay, we will now go to normal and now we will draw sketch. Okay, make it 6.25. Okay, and make this length 9 and make this angle 6 degree. Okay, there is a okay, there is a problem here. Delete this coincidence relation and make this length 26. Okay, this is alright. Select. You can hide this plane. Okay, here. Hide it. Now we need to revolve it and revolve it this line. Okay. Now select this face. Select sketch. Make it normal. Now we need to select this face and sketch. Now we will draw a circle of 23 mm. Okay. Now we will select this edge and convert entities. Now we will draw a circle of 2 mm on the circle. Now make it 2 mm. Okay. Now select line and select line and chain. Now you can see the sketch is fully defined. We need to erase the extra lines. Okay. Oh, select okay. You can see here that there is extra line. It will create error, so we need to erase it. Okay. Now it is okay. Select okay. Now we need to generate a line. We will go to right plane, sketch, and we will select intersection curve and we will select this face. Click OK and then cancel. You can see here two lines have been generated, this one and this one. Okay, we will go, we will erase one line. Use trim entities and cancel it. Okay, now select OK. Now we need to select swept boss base. Now select profile, this sketch, and path, this line. Okay, select OK. So you can see now we need to make it circular pattern. Select this. Now select this swept boss base. Okay, it is selected. Now direction, we need to select the circular edge here. You can see. Now we need to make it 3. Now make it 4, and we need to skip, sorry, we now make it 4, and we need to skip this one, the upper one. So we need to select this. Okay, now this has been skipped. Okay, so now you can see the 3 profiles have been generated. Now we need to make a fillet. So select fillet command. Now select this edge and select 2 mm. Okay, select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Now select OK. Now fillets have been generated. Now we need to make this profile. You can see. So going back to our model, now go to right plane, sketch, and make it normal. Okay. Now draw a center line like this till here. Okay. Now draw another center line. Okay. Now we want to make angle 68 degree. Okay. Now make this length 18 mm. Okay. And this dimension 19 mm. Okay. Now the sketch is fully defined. Now we need, now exit sketch, go to features and select reference plane. Okay. Now select the line and this point. Okay. Select the plane, go to sketch. Okay. Now make it normal. Now we need to draw a sketch on the plane. Select circle, draw a circle. Okay, now select circle and draw a circle and go to center rectangle and draw a center rectangle like this. Okay. Now dimension the circle 10. Okay. And the length of the rectangle should be 15 and width should be 14.5. Okay. Now select fillet. Now select 3 radius. Okay. And select the 4 edges. Okay. Now go to extrude boss space and extrude it. Now flip side. Now make it. Now select 15 mm. Click OK. Now select the surface, sketch, and this circle convert entities. Okay. Now go to features, extruded cut, and select this surface. Double click, or you can see from here you can select up to surface and select the surface. Now select this surface, sketch. Now select the edge of the circle, convert entities, features, and select extrude cut. Now select up to the surface. Now select OK. So here our almost half of the geometry is ready. Now we need to hide the sketch. Right click and select hide, and select this plane and select hide. Now go to feature and select fillet. Now select this edge and select 2 mm fillet. OK. Now select OK. So now we need to make this upper body. So go to top plane. Okay. Go to feature tab, reference, and select plane. Okay. Now the reference plane will be top plane. Now select 54. OK. Okay, now we need to draw a sketch on the plane. So we select plane and select sketch. Now we draw center line like this and chain, and again draw center line. Now you can see that the distance between the this corner and center line is 35 minus 18.5. So make it 35 minus 18.5. Okay. Now draw a circle over here on the midpoint. Okay. Now dimension it 19 mm. Okay. Now select corner rectangle and draw a rectangle like this. Okay. Now select this edge and make it 28 mm, and select this edge and this edge, make it 35 mm. Now select this corner and this line and make it symmetric. Okay. Now select this edge and delete the relation vertical. Similarly, select this edge and delete the vertical relation. Delete it. Now you can see those lines have become blue. Now select this corner and tilt it a little bit like this. Similarly with this edge like this. Now smart dimension it, make this edge and this line angle 3.7. Similarly with this edge, make it 3.7 angle. Okay. Now select fillet. Now make it 10 mm and select this corner and this corner. Select OK. Now make it 12 mm. Now select this corner and this corner. Sorry, delete this corner. OK. Now select offset. Select chain. OK. Make it 2. OK. Now make it reverse. OK. Select it. Now our sketch has been defined fully. Now we need to extrude it. Extrude boss base. Select this contour. Make it blind. Make it 27 mm. Make it reverse. OK. Now select this face. Sketch. Now select convert entities. Select this chain and this chain. Select OK. Go to feature tab. Select extrude boss base. Now make it offset 0.5 mm and make it 1 mm. Make it reverse and also make it reverse. Okay, now you can see there is a distance between the upper face and this feature. Select OK. Now select this sketch and make it hide. Now go to linear pattern. Now direction, select this edge. OK, and select this 2 mm. Select this 14 and features. Select this extrude boss face. Select OK, or you can make it 13. Select OK. Now you can see. Now select this face, sketch, and select convert entities. OK, and also select this edge and convert entities. Now go to features, extrude boss base, up to surface, and select this surface. OK. Now select this surface, sketch, and select this edge, convert entities, and make a hole throughout. Okay, now oh, make it 55. Okay, now this will be okay. You can see there's a hole. Now select right plane, sketch, make it normal. Now draw a slot here, straight slot, like this. Select. Now define this line and origin distance 37 mm. Okay. Now define this dimension 6 mm and this distance and this edge distance should be 8.01, like this. Okay. Now go to feature, extrude bow space and make it reverse and make it 18.5. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, make it normal. Now select circle and draw a circle here and here and make it 3 mm. 3 mm and 3 mm. Okay. Now go to feature tab and extrude cut. Make it through all. Okay. Now we need to define a plane. Go to feature tab, reference and plane. Here select right plane and make it 21.5. Select OK. Now select this plane, go to sketch and sketch. Make it normal. Draw a center line. Okay. Now draw a select corner rectangle and draw a corner rectangle. Okay. Now select these two edges and the line and make it symmetric. Okay. Now select this line and make it 6 and select this and make it 30. Okay. Now go to feature, extrude it up to surface and select the surface. Select OK. Now go to feature tab and select fillet and select this edge and select this edge. Okay. Now select this edge, select this surface and sketch. Select circle and draw a circle here and draw a circle here. Okay. Now select smart dimension, make it 3. Okay. Make it also 3. Okay. Now go to feature, extrude bow space, extruded cut, make it through all. Okay. Now hide this plane, hide it. Okay. Now go to feature tab and go to mirror here. Now select right plane and select this feature to mirror. Select OK. So we missed some features, so go to mirror, edit, feature and also select fillet and extrude. Now select OK. We didn't select extrude, so select extrude. OK. Now select fillet, make it 3 and select this edge. We make it 1.5. Okay, and select this edge also, this edge, similarly this edge and this edge. Select OK. Go to fillet, edit feature, make it 0.5. Okay, now this looks fine. Now go to fillet and select this and this edge and this edge here. Okay, and select this edge and this edge. Okay, select OK. Now our engine block has been completed. So there is a little bit modification in the model. Okay, so go to this box space and go to edit feature. Okay, and go to this draft command and make it 5 degree. Okay, so now this looks better. Okay, so if you like this tutorial and you find it informative, then you like the video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.